Hey there, how's it going? Good? Okay, they asked me to simplify, and they've given me that the natural log of 2 is equal to A, don't know what A is, and the natural log of 3 is equal to B, don't know what B is. Stay off the calculators first and foremost because it said nothing about giving them a decimal answer. Got it? Okay, and here's the example they'd like me to simplify. Now, the key here is they said the natural log of 2 and the natural log of 3. I don't have the natural log of 2 or the natural log of 3. I have the natural log of 2/3. So that doesn't help me. I need them separated from each other. So how can I separate the 2 from the 3 with a log in front? Ah, very good. You remember the property. One of the properties say when you have division, it will downgrade to a subtraction problem. So tell me what to write. What are you thinking? The natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3. Very good. And now, I know the natural log of 2 is A, and the natural log of 3 is B. So in this case, the result is A minus B for the natural log of 2/3. Cool? You're like, but that's not a number. Doesn't matter. What they gave me was the natural log of 2 is equal to A and the natural log of 3 is equal to B. They wanted this expression to be simplified in terms of A's and B's, and that's what they get. Now, I've got some examples coming your way. Work on them before you go find my answer key video. Catch you guys on the flip side.